Hello everyone. So I'll be sharing with you how to solve using comparing two sets or simply using comparing bar model in this type of problem. Here we go. So the problem is store A sold 150 boxes of face masks. It sold 179 fewer face masks than store B. How many boxes of face masks did store B sell? Anyway, this is a grade 2 word problem. And this is how you solve it. So first, after reading it, it will be better if you will highlight it, or if you want, you could list it down or write it down what we know in this problem. So in this case, I'll be highlighting it. So we know here we have store A. So store A sold 150 boxes, and then it sold 179 fewer masks than store B. All right, so we have another one here. And then the question we need to solve, how many boxes of face masks did store B sell? Now you have to ask yourself, now we have here store A. Do we know exactly how many boxes? Yes, right? It sold exactly 150 boxes for store A. Now you have to think, do we know exact number of face masks that store B sold? No, that's what we're going to solve for. So let's try to solve this by using a bar model, and I'll show you how to do it. Right, here we go. So there. So first is, we know that store A sold 150 boxes. So I'll be naming here store A. All right, so here's store A. And then let's draw a box. So this box will represent 150 boxes. Right, remember, pang grade 2 to. This is a grade 2 word problem. So let's place here 150. Right, let's put a bracket. It's not really advisable na ilalagay niyo yung number sa loob ng bar. You'll know that more in my following videos, because I'll be showing you also how to use bar models with fractions. All right, so this time whole numbers lang muna tayo. So this is 150. All right, and then we have to draw for the bar for store B. All right, so store B. Now you have to go back to the problem. So how will we draw the bar for store B? It says here, it sold 179 fewer face masks than store B. What are we talking about na it sold? Yung it dito na nagbenta ng 179 na mas konti sa store B ay si store A. Alright? So si store A tong it na to. So kahon natin to. So kung mas konti si store A, so dapat si store B will have a longer bar. Huwag kayong malilito na merong term dyan na fewer. So again, merong mga word problem na yung fewer or yung less or yung more, it's used differently. So kasi 'di ba minsan pag clue words lang tayo tumitingin kagad, pwedeng isipin ng bata pag yun ang tinuro natin, hanapin niyo 'tong mga words na to ha. Pag nakita niyo to, subtract na tayo agad. You also have to let your children know na they have to understand the relationship, how it's used. Kaya napaka-effective kapag yung mga bata, lalo yung mga bata ha, nowadays, they will draw first. So they will understand the relationship of the numbers. So they'll see here na si store B is actually longer. So mas marami siya. Alright, so we'll place here a bracket to indicate, alright, and broken line. So gaano ba siya karami, di ba? Mas marami siya ng 179. So place here 179. Right? Kung babalikan din ng problem, this model shows na store A is 179 fewer than store B. And then last, we need to put a bracket and we'll have the R unknown here, right? So this is what we're looking for. So how many boxes of face mask did store B sell? So yun yung ating unknown. All right. So now let's start solving. So if this is our model, I'll put the yan. I'll separate this and I'll place your solution, right? And of course, our answer. So again, just by looking at the bar model, we will know that we need to add. All right, we need to add in order for us to get how many boxes of face masks did store B sell, right? So let's add. So we have here 150, right? Plus 179, okay? And then we'll place here this one. And then we start adding. So let's use this one. So 0 plus 9, of course, is 9. And then 7 plus 5 will give us 12. So 2 will be here, 1 will be regrouped. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 3. And our final answer is, we have 329 face masks. All right. So how many boxes of face masks does store B sell? 329 boxes of face masks. Face masks. Or 329 boxes. So that's our answer. Now, if we want to make sure our answer is correct, we can review, we can check. So if our answer is 329, so let's find out. So what can we do for us to make sure our answer is correct? If store A sold 150, mag-subtract tayo. So let's subtract yung 329, yung 179 from 329. And if we get 150, then our answer is correct. But basically, kita na naman dito. So hindi ko na siya ipapakita, but you can do that, all right? You can actually check just to make sure if your answer is correct. It's very important, lalo na sa mga bata with our young kids like this one, yung mga grade 2 students natin or grade 2 kids natin. It's important always tell them to check para sigurado tayo na they were able to come up with the right answer. Again, this is an example of a word problem for grade 2 using a comparing bar model. Again, thank you for taking time to watch. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any comments at all, especially topics you would want me to feature in this channel, just leave a message, or you see our link there, just send a message to our link. Have a nice day, and again, thank you.